my leg has literally gone numb. I can't even feel it. How? Everything is going wrong. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for today's video. As I'm sure you guys have read by the title and the thumbnail, today is going to be a handbag video. So if you're a handbag fanatic like myself, or you just kind of love watching these videos, again like myself, then you are going to love today's video. I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys a brand that I've actually wanted to purchase a handbag from for honestly about 3 years. So I'm really excited about it. There's going to be a lot more information in the description box. So if you're interested in just the kind of info bit, go down there and you'll find all that out. But if you are interested in my unboxing, review, chit chat, all of that good stuff on my Teddy Blake handbag, then keep watching this video. Just before we get into it, like I say in all my videos, if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I'm nearly at 20,000 subscribers. I don't know what's going on. It's amazing. So thank you guys so much, and I will be hosting a giveaway when I hit that amazing milestone. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check out my Instagram. I've been posting quite a bit over there lately, trying to be a little bit more consistent. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, you can go over there and follow me. But that is all that stuff out the way. Let's just get onto this exciting video. Now I'm gonna start this video about where it all kind of began with me and Teddy Blake. I fell in love with the bags a while ago. I know that they contact a lot of YouTubers and send bags out to a lot of YouTubers, so I'd seen a lot of videos on the brand, and in my opinion the bags are very similar to Hermes or Hermes, however you want to say it. Those super expensive, really high-end designer bags that I will never ever justify purchasing, just because personally that is far too much money on a bag. You do you. If you couldn't go and buy yourself a bag like that, then you do it. But just for myself, it just was not something that was ever going to be viable. And I saw these bags. In my opinion, they are very similar. I wouldn't necessarily say they are a replica or a copy. They do have a Teddy Blake on the bag. That's very, you know, obvious. They don't try and pretend to be a dupe. I just want to make that super clear. But I do think they were inspired by those bags, and I love those bags. So when I saw these online, I immediately just fell in love with them. I had been umming and ahhing about purchasing one for ages because, again, like I said earlier, it is a high price item, it is an expensive purchase, and I just never really got around to it. And then I actually got an email from someone at Teddy Blake. So this bag was sent to me, and I just want to say that off the bat. I want to be honest with you guys, the bag was sent to me. However, there was no like, you have to say this about the bag, you have to say that. They were very honest with me and basically said you can say whatever you want. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. So this is the bag. This is it. So I actually chose this style of bag, and I'm going to read to you exactly what this is. So this is the Ava taupe in the small size. I believe it's 11 inches. I will confirm that in the description box below, so don't worry. It's not the smallest, I know that. I think they've brought out a slightly smaller one than this, but it is like the smaller of the bigger bags, if that makes any sense. And this is in the shade taupe. So for those of you wondering, this is what the taupe looks like, because I know online it looks a kind of different colour, but this is the taupe shade. Yeah, this is my new handbag, and I am so excited to talk to you guys about it. I'm so excited. I know I keep going on about it, and I know it's only a handbag, but I love this kind of thing. If you've been watching my channel, or if you just know me in general, I'm kind of handbag obsessed. So I'm so excited to get this bag. I just think it's so beautiful. So this is the taupe shade. I actually love the colour. Originally, I wanted the one that's in the dark beige. I'll pop up a picture here of the dark beige colour. It's slightly lighter. It's a really lovely colour. But I actually kind of love this. The taupe. I'm really surprised. So yeah, this is the taupe, and I love it. It is a slightly darker colour. I think it's a great shade for kind of summer and winter because it's still a light bag. It's not a black, but it's dark enough to see you through the winter season, which is really nice. You can use it all year round. I chose the one with the silver accents. I just personally on handbags prefer silver accents, although I say that a couple of my bags have gold hardware and I do wear gold jewellery, but I don't know what it is, but I prefer silver on bags. So this is it, brand new out of the box. This is the box that my bag came in. I just want to show you guys this stuff in case you are ordering it and you are wondering. And it came with a load of stuffing. It also came with a really nice dust bag that looks like this. So if you are wanting to protect your bags, you have this little dust bag, which is nice. and then it came with the bag like this. Okay, so the bag is actually made in Italy, and it states that on the little clasp here. It also says that on their website, so if that's something that you're interested in, all of their bags are made in Italy, which is just a really nice touch, I think. Adds a little bit of, you know, designer feel to the bag. So this is what it looks like. It's a very sort of box silhouette shape, but personally, out of the two styles that they seem to do the most, the other one is more like a double handle kind of bag. I would use this a lot more often, but that's just personal preference. So it has all this stuffing in, so let's take that out. So when you take all the stuffing out of the bag, this is what it looks like inside. It's this kind of like suede material. It has two little pockets here on the side. I hope you guys can see that. And then it has this zipper pocket at the back. It's actually really big in there and roomy. And the nice thing is even when you take the stuffing out of the bag, it still keeps its shape, which I really, really like about it. I just love those kind of bags that are super rigid and keep their shape. I just love this bag so much. I know I keep going on about it, but I'm kind of obsessed. My friend Ree, if she's watching this, she needs to buy herself one because this is such a her bag. Anyway, it also comes with a crossbody strap, which is super, super nice for people like me, who I don't tend to wear my bag all the time, like on the crook of my arm or holding it. I just find it a little bit difficult and awkward. So a crossbody strap is amazing. This again has the silver hardware, and it's quite a short crossbody strap. But I quite like that because it's going to be quite high under your arm, and all you do is you just clip this onto the two sides of the bag. It also comes with a little key and padlock, which is a really nice touch. This is just a leather little pouch that has the two keys on the inside, and then you get the silver padlock that looks like that. If you guys are wondering, you can actually use this to actually formally close your bag and like do it up, but that's just never gonna happen. Like, I'm constantly opening up my bag. If I had to like unlock it, that would be really, really long. But what I will use this as I will probably tie this on the side of the bag just as a little accessory. I think it will look really cute. I know so many ways that I'm gonna be able to style this bag. I actually think it's gonna look great with a basic white tee and skinny jeans and like white Air Forces, and then this bag. I just can see that as such a great look. I think with what I'm wearing now, it would look really, really lovely. It goes with all these kind of dusky colors, which are my favorite colors to wear. Whites, nudes, creams, pinks. Like neutral tones are my favorites, and I think this is going to go really lovely. I'm honestly so excited to use this. I think this is just going to become like my bag that I'm wearing all the time. You guys will probably see it all over my Instagram. I just think it's made really, really lovely. I also like the fact that it has little feet on the bottom of the bag. So if ever you place this down, like, you know, in a restaurant or places like that, it's not going to get really hideous because it's got the nice little feet. Just for my UK viewers, for those of you that are wondering, the delivery was really, really quick. I would say it took about 5 or 6 days after processing for it to arrive. It might have even been about 5 days. And you can actually track everything online. You can see exactly where it's going. I literally saw exactly where my parcel was going, and I wasn't in the house, and they didn't just leave it on my doorstep, which is really nice. They took it to the post office and I went and picked it up. So if you're worried about that, don't. They're not just gonna like leave it out. So yeah, if you're one of my UK viewers and you're worried about that, just something to let you know. Personally love it. I'm so happy with it. I know I've been going on about it for 10 minutes, but I'm really, really happy about it. And it's been sitting in my room, and I've been waiting to film this video, but I didn't want to use it until I sort of filmed this video. So I will keep you guys updated over on my Instagram with how I get on with it. And I'm sure you guys will see a load of photos of it over there, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts, feedback and comments in the comment section below. If you have any questions on Teddy Blake handbags or handbags in general, or how I would style it, if you guys want a like how to style video on handbags, not just including this one but other ones that I own, I can totally film that. I don't tend to talk about handbags that much on this channel just because I know that there is a little bit of backlash sometimes from people, but it's something that I like talking about, and I think this channel should be everything that I want to talk about and discuss. So I'm happy to film it. I hope you guys did like the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me any comments below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!